everyone, I'm Beth from Inspiring Young Learners, and today I'm going to show you a quick tutorial on how to put together the welcome book. So what you need to do is to print the pages back to back, and so this is the first page that I printed out. I'm going to put it back into the printer so that it prints on the other side. You might need to figure out with your printer which way you need to put it back in. So I'm going to first print out all the pages front to back. You printed it correctly if the squares line up and they're the same size on both sides. And now is the easy part. All you do is line up, starting with all about me on the bottom, all about my classmates, all about my teacher. Put those 3 sheets of paper in that order, and then you fold down, and voila, you have your welcome book. You can staple it up at the top, cut down the middle, and you have made 2. So enjoy. I would love to see